almost at the garage. Vtec kicked in there so many times. It went louder.
Okay guys, tell me what you think of this. Rachi's today making noise, going to the tracks tonight, putting on this piece of shit.
You like that noise, huh?
Alright Brachis, so I'm going to be putting on a stack. I've got the whale penis intake, but there's a crappy filter that's on it, so I don't know if I bought the right size. It looks small. Okay, but anyway, let me take it out and see. I want to put on the stack and take off the filter. It's only for when we go racing, so yeah, let's see how this sounds. Is the right size?
You go and buy something but you don't even know the size.
I asked it, brother.
You get too excited. So Master, how long will this take you to take it out?
2 minutes.
Are you gonna waste my time today?
No. So take off that. Let's just see if this is going to fit on here. Yep. Right, so that will go. I'll just try and get this on here because I've got to stretch it a little bit.
Oh, I remember this one. In all your cars, you have to stretch this rubber.
This rubber is very small, but...
So where did you buy this from? If someone in Boxburg wants to go and buy it.
From the flea market, but I usually buy all my stuff from the China mall. So, let me take it off here then. Okay.
Plus, Master parked in the shade, so I can stand in the shade. But he's the one who's standing in the
Alright, let's
shade.
both of us stand in the shade then.
And I'm getting sunburned.
This is a whale penis. This is a whale penis.
Why are you putting it in between your legs?
It's a whale penis.
Where's the oil? This is how you do Trishen style jobs.
Yes. Where must I get oil from?
Use cooking oil.
This is the engine oil.
You want cooking oil? I'll bring for you cooking oil.
And then next week you'll complain there's no cooking oil. Right guys, so I managed to get this on without that blue silicone hose. What I've done is, this goes in there but it's just a little bit loose. So I put some tape here. It looks bad. Shoved it in very tight and I put the clamp on. It's tight, brachis. It's tight. So let's get this whale pee back on here. Alright. So that's gonna sit like that.
So where you pushed it in?
There. Alright. Get it tight here. Alright, intake temperature sensor back in. Alright, and that's what it looks like.
How? It's finished.
Yep.
Where's that other part?
What part?
There was another part.
The filter comes off.
Now this stays like this. What's this for?
It's a velocity stack. It gives the car power.
It literally
And it
took you
makes it
fucking
louder. So
5 minutes.
So start it up. Gonna hear this baby.
So loud, babe, and the car was already so loud.
So guys, that's not for everyday driving. It's just because we're going to perform tonight. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a quick drive up and down the road here, wake up the neighbors, so I can show you guys what the stack sounds like. I haven't heard it on the road myself. As you guys can see, car is smoking a lot, but we're gonna get that sorted out. I'm gonna send the car in for a quote. I did send it to one guy to get the motor done. He quoted me 10 grand. I'm gonna send it to another guy as well, so I can get a quote from him. And then yeah, I'll compare the two, see what they're both offering, and we'll get that done soon. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment on what you guys think about the car. Most of all, we really appreciate the support that you guys give us. Please subscribe to the channel. So this Bali is nagging me. He said because I bought the stack and I spent 300 rand or 350 on myself, she wants to go to Spur now.
He is lying, not 350, 600 rand.
Where I spent 600?
You came home and you told me 600
Oh,
rand.
that was with the polish, yeah. Yo.
You see how fat
Scraping.
you are.
But if
I
I'm
didn't
alone,
eat
it doesn't
anything.
touch. If I'm alone, it doesn't
Stop
touch.
it.
Yes, this thing screams, guys. Just I don't have a lot of petrol. So yeah, we put the stack on. I like how it sounds, very loud. I just wanted y'all to hear it from the inside, because from the outside it doesn't really sound that loud. What do you
watch it, the garage doors and all must be start moving. The neighbors' cars go up and down.
Good job, Chet. I hope we don't get stuck with petrol.
Babe,
See there, it's right down.
your ass, you never ever let the car go away.
No, because I was driving like that today.
That's weird.
Right down. No petrol. Guys, don't you want to sponsor us?
Please, man.
Some
2
money
rand
for some
each
petrol.
person. Each subscriber, please. 2 rand. 2
We're
rand.
driving.
2 rand 10 cents.
We're driving fast and burning petrol. The car is smoking, it's burning oil. All to entertain you guys.
Please drop a comment and say how handsome my man looks. He shaved his face and cut his hair.
I do it once a month.
Once a month, I have to force him.
Yeah, I cut my hair and shave once a month. Why?
Other guys do it every week.
I'm not other guys.
When
I
you
am
was,
me.
when you first started going out with me, you used to shave your face, your bum fluff every. You know the bum fluff you had on your face, you used to shave it every day.
Alright.
We're almost at the garage. Vtec kicked in there so many times. It went louder. Who's sponsoring us? Quickly, we are at Sassol. Sassol, yeah.
Yep. I didn't give you guys an update on the engine mountings. So whoever wants to do it, I did the Sikaflex in my engine mountings because they were kind of broken and all of that stuff. The video will come. Yeah, the car couldn't launch. It was like bogging because the engine was shaking so much. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna get a chance to launch it, but if I do, I'll show you guys how it is. It actually launches very nice. I'm not sure if this car's got a launch control or something like that, but it doesn't rev past 6.5 if I'm stopped. But when I am driving, then it does go all the way to 8. I think 7, 8 or something like that. So yeah, I'm not sure if that's a problem on the car or if it's a launch control, but I actually like it a lot because it doesn't allow me to over rev the car. So yeah, I just don't want to do it because you don't know where's the undercover cop here. Maybe on the way back home I'll show you guys how to launch it if I don't get a chance. Yo,
What was that?
I don't know, but it went sideways. Hey, check the exhaust on this car.
Where?
This van, check it. Can you check it?
Yeah. Hey, check the smoke coming out.
You're really at spur now. guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, because we highly appreciate the support that you guys are giving us. And most importantly, if you are watching our videos, please subscribe to our channel. It motivates us a lot to keep the content coming and to keep you guys entertained. So we're gonna go have a lekker chow, drink some nice beer. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Prachi signing out. Peace. Guys, tell me what you think of this. Guys, what do you think of that launch on this car? I don't know if it's good or if it's bad, so you guys can please leave a comment. Car doesn't spin at all. Remember I was telling you guys about, I'm not sure if it's a fault on the car or if the car was tuned like that, but yeah, it doesn't have more than 6 on when the car is standing, and when it launches it barely spins. I actually like it because the car doesn't spin. I'll show you guys one more time. Please, I really want you guys to comment. Let me know what you think of this. Okay guys, tell me what you think of this. Leave a comment, guys. I've driven much more faster cars than this, so I don't know what you think of this car. You guys let me know. Prachi signing out. Peace.